no.
Any totem at the main? Wait, I'll go
Bye
there.
bye.
Oh my god. Good luck to me. Boom!
I'm exposed right now.
What's with this circle thingy?
Pag
There's
tumagal ka.
You get exposed.
Sam, there's a totem nearby our gen just now.
Yeah,
Oh.
no. Wait,
No, no, no.
I'm destroying the CCTV, you know.
How do you destroy it?
Ta-da! Just go under.
Okay.
Ah, no!
Is there an interact button there, Sam?
Yeah, there is. Oh shoot, he's with me. Oh.
Yeah,
Is that good? Is that good?
yeah, she's good. Not good,
Is
but
that good?
she's bad. Yeah. Don't stay in that thing, Sam.
I know,
you'll
I know, I
explode.
know, I know, I know.
I'll get you, Hindu.
Okay.
Where's
There
the
you
totem? Where's the totem?
Oh, she's here. Run.
Run. Run.
Let's go. I'm gonna
Oh,
find.
oh,
Oh look!
why one hit? The fuck?
You are exposed. Mochi. By the thing.
Also, if I'm exposed, I'm like one hit.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's the expose. I also got that thing. Don't go in middle, or hack the.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Just hack the drone in the middle.
Fuck
he
that,
found
she's
it.
fucking tall as fuck.
Yeah, that's crazy. And she don't even have a terror radius when you are inside that thing.
Yeah, she doesn't have a terror radius. That's why I didn't see her right away.
And she looks like a survival.
Yeah, exactly. She looks like a model, man. Like how she was, it's like, what the fuck?
You know that Kardashian?
She looks like
That's why.
whoa.
The Kardashian sisters?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, the mother.
Oh, the mother, yeah, the mother. You're correct.
Mother of-
I think she's coming back.
Sige pa, take it. Ah,
Ako nag-take
ako
it.
tuloy nag-take it?
Sorry.
Bro,
He's chasing me.
okay. Sam, you're a god looper. Look for like 2 gens, right?
I'm going down though. Oh, I did it.
No, you didn't. Are you exposed?
No, yeah. I'm going down.
No, Jolt, let's go.
Oh my god, I told you.
Any Skrajuk, ano?
Yan, tuloy. Gising na si Kunukoy.
There you go.
Masisilip niya ako naglalaro.
Ano naman masama doon, ate?
Hindi,
Ay,
kasi sabi ko,
Get at some.
sandali lang ako maglalaro.
Oh, fuck.
She's
Get
camping.
at some, guys. Oh, what the heck?
Come and
Oh.
get me.
Any more? There you go.
This
Yeah, hang on.
bitch is so fast.
Yeah, true. And even don't have terror radius.
Haruru,
Yes.
kalmo.
Yes.
Heal me
I'm not-
please. Where are you?
With yourself na.
Oh my
There's something
god,
there.
you didn't heal me.
Need to the gen.
Sam.
Ate, anong ulam?
We got you.
Totoo na ba?
You know,
Ay, nako.
the new killer while he's
Okay,
walking,
okay,
I think he has the rollerblades.
Thank you very much.
Mech. Okay, she's
Oh,
there.
no, she's coming here.
Yeah, I'm gonna take her.
Run!
Whoa,
Oh,
she's gonna
no,
take
man,
me.
she's after me. Fuck that. She's tunneling, bitch.
Okay. I'm coming. Oh, shit.
No,
Are you on
no,
the
I'm
pallet?
fucking dead. No, I'm not.
What a
Don't get close.
bitch. What a
I'm
bitch.
fucking dead.
Can you wiggle?
No. That bullshit.
Oh, Haru.
Alay na naman.
Whoa!
What happened?
Okay, she is done. Come on. Stop using your drone.
You can hack the drone now.
If it's yellow, you can hack it. But if it's orange, you cannot.
Okay, I'm under the
Yes.
pallet. Anyone
Because
here?
he's inside the
He's in the
circle.
pallet. Oh
Yeah.
no.
Oh, you guys far away, no worry. Oh, Sam, there is a boon near the middle. You want it?
I put the boom here. Wait, I'm gonna get you.
Keep doing Jen. Keep doing Jen.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pop your gun, Haru. It's coming for you.
Go, go, go.
Okay, let's go to the boon.
I'll do the gen. The gen is just here.
Okay.
Still chasing Haru. Where are you at, Haru?
Boon.
My one or the Sam one?
Your boon, your boon. We're here at my boon. Oh shoot. They're
He's
quite
coming.
near to us.
Yeah.
Why does she look like there's so much now?
Look at her.
Oh, we scream! That's a perk for the...
Precious fried,
Kanino ba
yeah.
yan? I forgot.
Still
Kaninong
chasing
perk
me.
yan?
Still chasing me.
Sam, you got the challenge to open the gates?
You want me to go there now? Or what?
Okay, okay.
Wait. The killer is just on to your left. We can pop. Ah, no! The killer is behind me. Oh, no.
But I can figure your left.
I saw the killer just right there and then
I'm
he
gonna
went
pop
to
it.
me. Yeah, pop it.
There you go.
Last two off.
I'm getting close now.
Whoa.
Oh, I forgot.
Whoa, no!
Oh,
Come on.
Haruru,
Who get you
hooray!
first?
Haru.
Oh, he's
Let's
coming
go.
back to me. Go to
Yeah,
the
yeah.
expo.
Yeah. And
You can't see me. I'm Claude.
okay, I got you, Sam.
Wait, he's coming back. He's just behind me. He's looking for you, Haru.
Go. I'm good.
Hindu is
It's okay.
here.
Let's go.
Where's the
I need
key?
to prep the gate first. On your left now.
Here, right now.
Take a hit for
I'm going to the pallet. There you go. I'm
Did
under
he
the
pick you
pallet.
up?
Yeah,
Oh
yeah.
shit, I'm too far. I don't know. Oh no, so sorry.
No worry. Get the gate.
I don't know where's the gate is.
One
Here.
is near
The
the...
killer shock site nearby the
Yeah,
gate.
I'm here now.
Oh, it's not meant for you, Haru.
Oh shoot.
Kill yourself first.
How? I'm just
You're
behind
too
you.
loud na. I really can hear you. Get away first.
Okay.
Where are you? Wait.
I just get away. I'm here at the oh shit.
He's behind you.
Couldn't help you now.
What? What is she doing?
He's trying to wait for me to get exposed.
Get away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get the hedge.
Hedge? Is there
No,
like
no,
an
no, no,
add-on?
no! I'm exposed.
Yes. That is why.
He's waiting for you right there. What?
Yeah, he's waiting for me to get exposed just now. That's why he was waiting for me.
No. Sam got it. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Double teabag.
I
Double
think that's
teabag.
20 times, Haru.
Yes.
T-Rex.
I want the red forest.
Oh, red forest.
Yeah, it's so amazing that the map is so, so
Yeah.
beautiful.